Hiya, welcome back. I went to Ikea today to buy the Kallax 4 square by 4 square cube storage, and I had a look online and it was £99. I wanted a single one as well, so I got one of them as well. And the single one, just the 4 cubes going down, was 37. I bought the door for one of the cubes, so I got that was only £10. And then 2 of the boxes you can get, material ones, I think they were £3 each. Yeah, £3 each. So I bought 2 of those. So you know when you're in Ikea in Warrington and you go down to like the market hall type thing, well, I saw the 4 by 4 cube storage. It was all made up and everything, so I'll show you. So this is the 4 by 4 cube storage I found. I won't have to like assemble it or anything. And you know what I got it for? £49.50. So I had to get that. And there's not a mark on it. It is brilliant. And that's me big single one with the 4 cubes in it. I've got to build that. Didn't see one of them in the bargain. So I'm absolutely made up. Here's a bit of footage for you as I'm going round Ikea. I forgot my camera, so I've had to use my phone, and then I forgot to turn it around, so apologies for that. So I think I need to get one of these cubes as well. I did buy that one there. And then it was time for a coffee and something to eat. You can't go to Ikea without having meatballs. Right, I'm up in my craft room now, and I had to sort everything out, take things off the shelves and cupboards that I had there because I wanted to put the Kallax unit there. So it's just piled up in the corner there, boxes and more boxes, and so I can't bring my unit up until all that's cleared. So here's my unit I got. And I bought some legs from B&Q. I think they're 6 inches or 7 inches, and I wanted the height on my unit. I didn't want it like on the floor. So I've got my unit upstairs now, and I've put it on another wall, and I'm not sure whether to put it on that wall or the wall I cleared. I'm not sure, but I want to move that along because I've got an alcove here, and I wanted a Kallax unit in the alcove as well, so I'm going to try and sort that out. So now I've decided to paint. So I've got some white paint here. I'm going to paint that picture rail at the top, and then I'm going to paint the walls in like a pink colour. I hope I'm doing the right thing painting this wall. It's a lovely pink colour from Dulux, a pretty pink. So I'm just going to give that a stir now and put it on the wall. Right, I've finished all the painting now. I'm just going to wait and see if it needs another coat, wait for that to dry. So I'm going to end the video here and come back in a couple of days and pick up where I left off. I hope you enjoyed the video and come back and watch the next instalment. Bye!